Beginning around 2009, Toyota faced a major safety crisis involving reports of vehicles unexpectedly accelerating on their own. The issue was linked to multiple crashes and, tragically, several deaths. Toyota recalled millions of vehicles worldwide as the investigation unfolded. Initially, Toyota attributed many of the incidents to physical causes, like floor mats interfering with the accelerator pedal, or sticking mechanical pedal mechanisms. These explanations addressed some reported cases, but not all of them. Some incidents continued to occur even in vehicles without those specific mechanical issues, raising deeper questions about the vehicle's electronic throttle control system. Modern vehicles, including Toyota's affected models, use electronic throttle control, meaning the accelerator pedal doesn't mechanically connect directly to the engine. Instead, sensors detect how far the driver presses the pedal, and software determines how much to open the throttle accordingly. This shift from mechanical to software-controlled systems introduced new categories of potential failure that hadn't existed in older vehicle designs. A significant legal case brought renewed scrutiny to Toyota's software. Independent embedded systems experts were brought in to analyze Toyota's source code in detail. Their analysis identified serious concerns in Toyota's software design, including insufficient safeguards against memory corruption, and a lack of adequate redundancy in critical safety-related code. They also raised concerns about the complexity of the code, and how difficult it was to fully verify that all possible failure scenarios had been accounted for. Toyota maintained that its systems had extensive safety mechanisms, and the company continued to attribute the vast majority of incidents to mechanical and driver-related causes. Regulators, including the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, along with NASA engineers brought in to assist, conducted extensive independent investigations into the electronic throttle system. The full picture that emerged was complex, likely involving a combination of mechanical issues, pedal design, and, in at least some analyses, valid concerns about software reliability and redundancy. Regardless of the precise breakdown of causes, Toyota faced billions of dollars in settlements, recalls, and regulatory fines. The company recalled more than 10 million vehicles globally in connection with these issues. Its reputation for reliability, long a core part of Toyota's brand identity, suffered significant damage during this period. The broader technical lesson centers on the growing complexity of safety-critical embedded software in vehicles. As cars increasingly rely on software rather than purely mechanical systems, the potential failure modes become more complex, and much harder to fully test and verify. This case significantly increased industry-wide focus on software safety standards for automotive systems, including stronger requirements for redundancy and fail-safe behavior. The lesson is that as physical systems become increasingly software-defined, rigorous, independent code review and failure mode analysis become just as critical as traditional mechanical safety testing. Toyota's unintended acceleration crisis remains a pivotal case study in the growing intersection of software engineering and physical safety in modern vehicles.